primetime news this evening. Tougher Christmas expected for vegetable lovers as price of produce expected to climb. COP28 rocked by protests as climate activists call for an end to the use of fossil fuels. And a 1-year-old among 8 people shot in deadly mass shooting in East Kingston.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News, live on air and online at onespotmedia.com, and also to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious with a preview of what's to come in business news. Here's Javon Keys.
Well, Janella, the Economic Program Oversight Committee, EPOC, had its last press briefing for this calendar year, and it indicated that Jamaica registered a current account surplus for last fiscal year and the start of the current fiscal year. I'll tell you what all of that means a little later on.
All right, thanks, Javon. From Javon to Jordan Fort. He's here with a preview of what's to come in sports.
Well, Herman, they're not that far away now, you know. The Paris Olympic Games, just over, 7 months now from now, and the JOA, they're making moves, signing a multi-million-dollar deal with Red Stripe. I'll tell you the details in Primetime Sports Tuesday.
Can't believe we're already talking Olympics. I can't wait for 2024. Anyway, there's also weather, E-Prime, sports commentary in this news class. But before the break, the feedback question.
This evening we're asking, what do you think should be done to encourage more persons to serve as jurors?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and post on X at TVJ News Center.
Please stay tuned. Primetime News returns right after this break.